Hello friends, welcome to Power BI split column by number of character, once as far right as possible. In this video, we will break down the split column by number of character, focusing on how to apply it once as far right as possible. Using infographics, I will make the concept simple and very easy to understand. So let's begin. What is split column by number of character? This is a method used to divide a column into multiple parts based on a specified number of characters. Instead of splitting by a delimiter, this method ensures each split occurs after a set number of characters. Characters are individual symbols, letters, numbers, or special signs that make up text. In Power BI, when splitting a column by the number of characters, each character refers to a single unit of text, including letters, numbers, special symbols, and spaces. Yes, even spaces count as characters. For example, in the text Power BI, there are 8 characters including the space. If you split this text by 4 characters, you'd get column 1 to contain POWE and column 2 contains R space BI. Before we dive into an infographic demonstration of splitting the column by number of characters, let's first understand the concept. Here we have a text column with 5 rows. We have data, rate, mean, plot, and graph. So let's differentiate each letter in the text using colors. The first letter in each row will be red, the second letter will be blue, and the third, fourth, etc. Alright, so now we have our text column, which is uniquely highlighted with different colors for better differentiation. You can see now that the first letter in each row is red, the second letter is blue, and so on. This way we can clearly see the pattern of characters in the text. Now let's look at a snapshot from Power BI showing the number of characters, 3, which in our case, as you can see, number of characters, we have 3, and also the split mode selected. In our case, we are selecting once as far right as possible. So now let us see the split demonstration for this text column. All right. So now you can see that the original column has been split into 2 parts. For the first column we have here, it contains all characters except the last specified number 3. The second column contains the last 3 characters. The split occurred once as far right as possible. Now, this technique is useful when extracting specific portions of text, such as separating ID prefixes from serial numbers, extracting area codes from phone numbers, splitting product codes for better categorization. By using this method, you can efficiently organize and analyze text-based data for better insights. Thank you so much from Facom Analytics, and as always, do like and subscribe for more data content like this.